wow. I just walked past that, I didn't even notice.
I'm calling them right now. I just left the car. That's a sinkhole.
Yeah, thank you. Yep, he's got a call, report a sinkhole right here. Oh, that's nuts. Look at that.
Don't even.
Don't even try that. It might just follow you in. Okay, so this is the Macedonia AME Church. It's getting windy. Yikes! Not a good day to come out and talk about this, but look at this. It's a African church. You can read this sign yourself. I'll pause the video, but look what happened. No church. Looks like a gentrification has claimed another victim of a landmark. That's it. That's it, guys. Really wasn't gonna vlog everything, but looks like this store is closed too. But before I turn on camera, there's a bunch of for sale sign up already. I'm just gonna go backward, might as well. And I don't have a gimbal, so just gonna hold it like this. Hopefully I use some post-processing. Look, Sonic. Sonic is now closed for rent. So a bunch of people standing in front. Now look at this Momo Ashi, this tea bar, tea place already closed, and all the equipments are gutted for sale. I mean, probably sold it to some other tea places. And now that place is empty for rent. This was a former McDonald's site, and they have some work permits, so I guess someone's building something. But also it's probably not progressing, but I don't know. So we'll go a little further up. This guy, I really want to show people. You're doing my favorite maneuver here, eh? Right in front of a N20 train, bus. This is a lunchbox place. They specialize in a high volume operation where you just scoop up stuff from the buffet bar, and then they sell it very cheaply too. The sign says we're fully disinfected, so you're welcome in, but for the public safety, you should practice social distance and all that. And they already have a couple tables indoors that are very isolated, so you can actually eat inside. The economic impact on this pandemic is gonna be crazy, because look right ahead. I think this used to be a cell phone store of some sort that was gone. So a lot of places are not just temporarily gone for the pandemic, but they are actually permanently gone because of the missing rent and things like that. So it's gotta be very difficult. I mean, and today is super windy because we're in I think it's this storm called Fay is coming down. And so on the other side, this Union Street, and there are some outdoor space already set up for Kim Ga-nae restaurant, and the other one further up. It's Chongmu. Okay, so these two already set up outdoor spots, and they probably put some chairs out. So yeah, if your business can survive, then this is what you can do. But I think the business volume will definitely be down. But then again, some businesses are closed, so you may be able to capture more of that business. So that's what's gonna happen. Today I'm just on a mission to send a package at the post office. But I thought, you know, when I passed Roosevelt, like a block away, I was like, oh my God, these businesses are closed. So this is getting a little crazy. And I think it's gonna be stay like this for a little longer. Probably up to September. It's gonna be like this. These guys are normal operation, but takeout only. The door is slightly open. I don't know why. I think could be all the wind that opens it up a little bit. So I pick out one of the side street to enter, and it's 41st Avenue. I think these stores are not open. Okay, I think some of these guys are actually open. So one thing I really noticed is that where the store that are open on the main avenues, like Roosevelt Avenue that I was on, they go down faster. But there's this one particular bubble tea place. They closed, and then just a couple weeks ago they already reopened under a different name. So yeah, one business fails, and then somebody already took their place. There's really no shortage of newcomers when it comes to businesses in these areas. The Flushing High Line. Look at that, all the places, all the empty parts that are for sale. Doesn't even look like the condos or the apartments. They don't look occupied at all. These guys are normal operation. So going further down is actually we're back to Main Street. Right, that's the parking lot for the supermarket from the back. Outdoor spot with that very Asianish table and chairs. Those folding chairs are like are a Chinese classic. If you go to visit Chinese cities like Hong Kong and Guangzhou, then you know those chairs. Yep, it's like a signature style in restaurants in these Asian cities. So the time now is like 6:20. Oh wow! I just walked past that, I didn't even notice.
I'm calling them right now. I just read the crowd. That's a sinkhole.
Yeah, thank you. Yep, he's got a call. We put a sinkhole right here. Oh, that's nuts. Look at that.
Don't even.
Don't even try that. They might just follow you in. Oh, we just found a sinkhole. Alright, so where are we going next? You know what? I know where I'm going next. I'm gonna drop by the post office, drop off what I need to do, and then I'm gonna get out of here because the wind is getting crazy, and then the wind and the rain kind of swap between each other. So one time you're gonna have to open up your umbrella, and then the other time you have to close it up because the wind is so strong. I'm definitely getting out of here. So, all right, I think that's enough for today, and I'll see you next time.